In this lecture, we will discuss about introduction to recombinant DNA technology. So we will discuss about what is recombinant DNA technology and what are the basic tools and techniques and what are the basic application of recombinant DNA technology. What is recombinant DNA? So any DNA molecules formed in vitro by joining DNA fragments from different sources. So this is the composite DNA molecules or genes comprising covalently linked segments from two or more sources. In 1972, Paul Berg created first recombinant DNA molecule and got Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1980. Recombinant DNA technology. This is also known as genetic engineering. This is a method of transferring genetic information or genes from one organism to another. So in this method, a gene from one organism is inserted into the genome of a different organism, generally of a different species. In 1973, Stanley Cohen and Harvard Boyer and their co-workers devised the method of recombinant DNA technology, in which genetic material is transferred from one organism to another organism. The main practices of genetic engineering are DNA cloning, DNA library construction, expression of foreign genes, mutation and gene targeting, and transgenic organism. DNA cloning is the process of making multiple identical copies of a particular piece of DNA. This is also called as amplification of DNA. A DNA library is a comprehensive collection of cloned DNA fragments from a cell, tissue, or organism. Expression of foreign genes involve insertion of a foreign gene into a genome to obtain desired function or products using expression vector. This technique is used to insert a mutated gene or replacing a functional gene with a non-functional DNA fragment. Transgenic organisms contain foreign DNA that has been introduced using biotechnology. Following are tools and techniques in recombinant DNA technology. First is restriction enzyme. This is also called as restriction endonuclease, which is used to cut DNA at specific base sequences. Second is DNA ligase, which is used to join two DNA molecules or fragments. Third is vectors. Vectors is a carrying and delivery agent used to transfer of DNA into host cell. Cloning vector is a DNA molecule that carry foreign DNA into a host cell and replicate there, while a expression vector is a plasmid designed for protein expression in various cells. Last tools are various molecular techniques, which includes blotting techniques, PCR, and bioinformatics. Fundamental process of recombinant DNA technology involve DNA preparation, in which DNA is isolated and fragmented using restriction enzyme. After cutting, the DNA fragments are ligated with vectors. In mounting, recombinant vector introduced into the host by electroporation or other method and amplified in host cell. Last is selection, in which those host cells that take up the recombinant DNA are identified and selected from those that do not. Recombinant DNA technology are applied in various fields like research in biological and biomedical science. This is applied in medical applications for diagnosis of diseases, for treatment of diseases, and therapeutic products. This is also used in foreign evidence like DNA fingerprinting. This is also used in environmental application, agricultural application, and to produce genetically modified products. This is also involved in various food and drink production, energy application, and industrial production.